My name is Qing An from Alibaba Group. I'm one of the co-chair of the WebView CG. Today's presentation, I will give a brief update of the recent progress in the WebView CG. So it contains two parts. The first is an overview of the WebView CG, and the second is what we've been working on recently. So the WebView CG aims to identify, understand, and reduce the issues arising from the use of software components, typically referred as WebViews, that are used to render web technology-based content outside a web browser. So this can be native apps or mini apps, and etc. So if you click this link, you can find more detailed information about the charter of WebView CG. And regards the scope of the WebView CG, it has four main goals. The first is to identify representative use cases of where WebViews are being used, regardless of the platform and type of device they are used on. And the second is to identify the issues that arise from these usages, and also to determine whether these issues can be addressed through improvements to the web platform, the surrounding ecosystem, or through other mechanisms. And finally, to raise awareness about the impact of WebViews for web technologies in relevant communities, such as the existing W3C groups. And here are the several use cases we are working on, and in very detailed discussion in our WebView CG. I will not talk too detailed about these specific use cases, and if you click this link, you can find more detailed discussion in our GitHub. So currently we have about more than 10 use cases in the discussion, and about more than half of them has already been get some consensus in our group. So you can see that we discussed how to load a WebView page much faster, and also the origin in a WebView for locally hosted content, the request response sharing and proxy between native and WebView, and also the render WebView components and native components in same layer, and inject custom JS scripts, control API permissions, and also the display and manipulate third-party content while blocking third-party scripting, define different types of web views, manage web storage and cookies, disable web platform features and web APIs, intercept or modify network traffic, and gather diagnostic data. And based on the discussion and consensus, we'll also draft a CG report on the WebView usage scenarios and challenges. It's still in the update progress, and we plan to discuss and publish the first version during the TPAC. So we will have our CG meeting on the Friday, the first session on the Friday of the TPAC week, or the TPAC week. So if you are interested in, so very welcome to join us. So thank you for your time, and feel free to reach me or another co-chair, Ryan from Google. So you can also find more information on this link. Thank you very much.